Hi friends, myself I am Anand. I am a software developer and also a tech enthusiast. Recently I come across affiliate marketing. I just want to tell about something about affiliate marketing. When you purchase any item in the Amazon, Flipkart or any e-commerce applications, they are giving you some amount as a cashback for the referrals. So with that amount we will provide you some more cashback for the end users, means who are the people who will buy the items through our URLs or using our links. If they purchase an item, we will get some cashback. So with that cashback we will give them certain amount. So this is all about affiliate marketing. Of course I am also an affiliated with Amazon, Flipkart and a few other websites, but today I am going to discuss about a bot. Using my skill set, I just want to add some value to my end users, means who wants to purchase any item through my links. Okay, so let me introduce my application. So friends, if you see on the screen, this is my bot, Amazon cashback calculator. This is the one recently I created this bot, Amazon cashback calculator. Using this bot, what it does, it will tell you how much cashback that you may get when you purchase your product. Suppose if you are purchasing any freeze item or any large appliances or small appliances, they will give you certain amount of cashback, and we usually don't know how much the cashback that they are getting or that they are providing to you. So in order to facilitate the end users how much cashback that they are getting, I created this bot. Okay, this bot whole purpose is to tell you how much cashback that you will get for an item that you are going to buy. Okay, but there are certain terms and conditions that you have to follow, otherwise we won't get the cashback as a referral or as a commission, so we can't provide you the surprise cashback to you. Okay, so friends, let's get started with my bot. Okay, so click on this start button. So when you click on the start button, you will get a welcome message saying that hello, Anand Krishna, welcome to cashback channel. This is all about description of my bot. Okay, you just go through it later. So here are the three buttons. The first button will help you when you have the link of the item that you are going to purchase when you already selected the item. Otherwise click on the no button. Third one is when you finalize your product and you came to know how much cashback that you are going to get, then ultimately come here and place an order. Okay, so first option, click on yes button. So when I click on yes button, as I said, it is asking for the URL. I don't have any URLs with me right now, so my hands are empty. So what I am going to do, I am going to click on the no button. So when I click on no button, here I am getting one more message asking me to just go or to just open this URL. Okay, what I do, I will just double tap on the link. Okay, so that it will take me to the Amazon site. So as I said, I just double tap on the link, so it will open the Amazon website or Amazon application that is installed on your mobile. Okay, so here there are list of products available, but what I do, as today outside the weather is so cold, so I just want to buy some geyser. Okay, so I am just searching for the product geyser. Yeah, so see, we have multiple items available in Amazon, but let me finalize the product. Oh, wait. So here Amazon is recommending this product, Amazon choice. So it's one of my choice as well. So I am going to the Bajaj New Shakti. Okay, let me go through the specification on all these things. So I am again going into that item. Okay, so here you just after going through all these things and everything is fine, then you just come across, if you feel that this is your final product and your desired product, then you just click on the share button. Okay, this is the share button. So when you tap on the share button, here you will get a message copy. Okay, press and hold that copy button. So here we have to copy the link address of the item. So I am just selecting the third option. Okay, now I got the URL in my hand, so I will go back to the Amazon cashback calculator bot. Now I will click on the S option because I have the URL link in my hand. Okay, now I will just paste over here the copied URL. So when I given the input, see what is the response that I have got from the backend. So here it is saying if I purchase that particular item through my links, referral links, then we will get 269 rupees as a cashback. So this cashback will be credited to my account if it is a valid purchase, and that is also after 3 months of the purchase. I hope most of the guys know about this affiliate marketing. If at all not, then these people will credit the amount only after 3 months. Okay, so we have to wait till 3 months, but for sure I will give you the cashback. Okay, I will give you means once I got the amount, I will share it to you. And if you have any queries, you just contact me in my WhatsApp. Just tap on it, so it will take you to my messenger, and you just contact me directly. So if you have any doubts, then I will clear your doubts. Okay, and the third option, there will be a third option, like place an order. So once product got finalized, everything is finalized, and you know that this is the cashback that you are going to get, and you are interested in placing an order, then click on this option, place an order. So when you place an order, again it will give you the Amazon link only, but this is the gateway. We call it as a gateway. It means the main part of the application. So once you select that URL and then do the purchase, then Amazon will consider it's a valid purchase, and via a referral. So I will get the amount, and in that amount I will give you some surprise cashback to you as well. So how much amount you are getting, that will be given to you. So if you feel that this bot will be helpful to you, just share it to your friends and subscribe to my channel as well. My channel name is Velji Accessories. So using my skill set, I am creating a few bots and I am deploying it on the Telegram server. So this bot will only be available in the Telegram. For any queries or if you have any doubts, and one more thing guys, so once you have done all these things and you just want to convey with me, how do you convey? You just click on that, you just select this link and have a chat with me saying that I ordered today so and so product. I will verify your order, and if I get the amount immediately, that is my job to follow up with you and give the cashback to you. Even it is a small amount, but don't waste it, my dear friend, because you can have a delicious biryani, or you can have a cup of coffee, or maybe you can have something bigger with that little money. Okay, so subscribe to my channel and also use this bot, share it with your friends and enjoy.